US President Donald Trump has announced another round of tariffs, targeting countries that have failed to do enough to stop goods made using forced labor from entering the global supply chains. Now the new tariffs apply to 60 countries, including India. Hi, my name is Nupur and you are watching Control Z, your cheat code to navigating adulthood. Now, India will face a 10% tariff on exports to the US under the latest American policy, while several other countries will face a higher rate of 12.5%. The Trump administration says that countries with stronger action against forced labor received the lower rate, hence explaining the 10% tariff on India. But will the new tariff make life more expensive for ordinary Indians? First, let's understand what this announcement actually is. The Trump administration says the latest round of tariffs announcements are forced labor tariffs. Now, according to Washington, some countries have not done enough to ban or prevent products made using forced labor from entering their supply chains. Using powers under Section 301 of the US Trade Act, America has imposed fresh import duties ranging from 10% to 12.5% on goods coming from 60 trading partners. The administration says the move is intended to promote stronger labor standards globally. So where does India fit into these allegations? See, initially, India was expected to actually face a tariff of 12.5%. But earlier this month, New Delhi amended its foreign trade policy to prohibit the import of goods produced using forced labor. After that change, the United States reduced India's tariff to 10%, placing it in the lower category alongside countries such as Canada and the UK. Even so, Indian exports entering the US will now be more expensive than before. That matters because the United States is India's largest export destination, buying products ranging from engineering goods, textiles to chemicals, gems and jewelry. Now comes the question most people actually care about. How does this affect you? Well, these tariffs are imposed on Indian exports entering the US, not on products sold within India. So your grocery bill or your next online shopping order is unlikely to change because of this announcement. But there could still be some indirect effects. See, if Indian exporters receive fewer orders because their products become more expensive in the American market, some export-oriented industries could face pressures. That could affect manufacturing, investment and jobs in sectors that depend heavily on US demand. Exactly how significant that impact will be depends on how buyers and companies respond over the coming months. There's also a diplomatic angle. India and the United States are already negotiating a broader bilateral trade agreement. New Delhi has previously challenged the US investigation on forced labor and argued that these issues should be resolved through trade negotiations rather than unilateral tariffs. Now here is the bigger picture. For India, securing the lower 10% tariff is definitely better than facing the higher US trade rate. But the bigger challenge remains the same: protecting access to one of its biggest export markets while keeping trade talks with Washington on track.